Today, 50% of clients say they research suppliers online. Another 50% say they will avoid doing business with a supplier who doesn't have an all-star or 100% complete profile. If that's you, you could well be missing out on valuable business opportunities. And worse still, you probably don't even know. LinkedIn continues to be the popular choice for serious business people online all over the world. And with getting on for 800 million users in over 200 countries, its success seems unstoppable. What's more, 93% of recruiters use LinkedIn to find candidates, but only 51% of users have an all-star or fully completed profile. Having a strong profile makes you 18 times more likely to be contacted for a new opportunity. But without a strong LinkedIn profile, you're pretty much invisible to recruiters, hiring managers and clients. My name is Steve Bruce, and I'm a Hong Kong-based independent LinkedIn trainer. I help senior executives, business owners and corporate teams to present themselves powerfully on LinkedIn. At workshop number 1 in my popular LinkedIn for Business series, you'll learn everything you need to know to upgrade your LinkedIn profile effectively. You'll learn how to create an all-star or 100% complete profile, a powerful summary, how to present yourself powerfully to the market, why your headshot matters, how to source recommendations from happy clients, and how to identify, target and connect with budget-holding target clients, as well as how to use the 4 pillars of LinkedIn success. To learn more, get in touch with me at stevebruce@sbconsulting.com.hk. I'm looking forward to helping you soon.